You've seen this before. That warm glow bleeding around a light source. Soft, organic, a little out of control. It's called halation. But what is it exactly? When light hits a film frame, it passes through 3 emulsion layers: blue on top, green in the middle, red at the bottom. In most modern films, an anti-halation layer sits beneath all 3, absorbing any light that makes it through. But when that layer is absent, or overwhelmed by a very bright source, the light keeps going. It hits the film base, scatters, and bounces back up through the emulsion. On the way back, it hits the red layer first. That's why halation is almost always red-orange. If the light is strong enough, it reaches the green layer too, and the two mix into a warm, amber glow. It's an imperfection born from physics, and it's one of the things that makes film look like film. Halation DCTL brings that into DaVinci Resolve. Let me show you how it works. Intensity controls how strong the halation is. Low values give you a subtle, tasteful glow. Push it up, and it gets more cinematic and dreamy. I usually keep it somewhere in the middle. Width controls how far the halation spreads. Small values stay tight around the light source. Bigger values create that wide, diffuse bloom you see on older lenses. Hue shifts the color of the halation. Center gives you that classic warm red-orange. Shift left for cooler. Shift right for warmer. It's great for matching the character of different film stocks. Saturation controls how colorful the halo is. At 1, you get the full color character of the scene. Pull it down, and it desaturates toward a clean white bloom. Perfect for a more neutral, stylized look. Threshold lets you control which parts of the image trigger the halation. Keep it at 0 to affect everything, or raise it to limit the effect only to the brightest highlights. More precise, more filmic. Softness is a nice finishing touch. It gently removes fine detail in the areas affected by halation. Just like real film loses a bit of sharpness around bright areas. Keep it subtle for the most believable result. The halation ramp test replaces your image with a synthetic gradient, perfect for dialing in the color and spread of the effect without the distraction of the actual footage. Mask mode shows you exactly where the halation is landing. Brighter areas mean more effect. It's a great way to make sure things aren't getting out of hand. Let's see it in action on different types of footage. I'll adjust the width to control how far the glow spreads, then dial in the intensity. That's really all it takes for most shots. Second clip. Same approach. Width first to define the glow around the lamp, then intensity to blend it into the image without overpowering it. You can find more information on the website and try the free demo version. Download the Halation DCTL and take your footage to the next level.